Hey guys, I'm John Manning here with Electrafly. Today we're answering your questions. One of the questions we've received is, how can I be a part of your company? How can I invest or be a part of, support your company? So one of the questions we've been asked is, how can I support your company or be a part of your company? So we have internship opportunities. We've had several interns pass through so far, and right now we are actually filling a part-time position. And so if you have experience coding drones, building drones, flying drones, if you have experience with these multi-rotor aircraft or these unmanned aircraft, we would love to hear from you. All you engineers out there, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, we love you guys. And so yes, that is one way that you can be a part of Electrafly. Another way that you can support Electrafly is that we have a Patreon page that we are just getting ramped up right now, and that's a great way to support Electrafly. We're also talking about having a swag offering so that you can get your Electrafly shirt. Supporting us through Patreon, that's a great way to help us out. And you know, this journey does cost a lot and it does take a lot of time, and so when we do receive contributions, it means the world to us. And to hear you supporting us with your dollars is like incredibly humbling, and we are incredibly grateful for that. That's amazing. So thank you for being a part of the journey. Just watching this video is being a part of this journey, and liking and subscribing and sharing what we're doing. Guys, that is so huge for us, and that means the world to us because we're able to continue this work. It's justifiable. That's awesome. So stay a part of the journey and let's make personal flight a reality.